Me, I want them, tell them this a real Shenyang anthem. No girl can't see me a start problem. Them a man clown so me walk on them. Me no love chat but me I want them, tell them this a real Shenyang anthem. Now fight no girl over no man, me no idiot. If me a take your man, me a keep that. Chimney records,
Good morning, guys. It is the next day. I just bathed and put on, I don't even know why, my grandmother them gone up for our brother from morning and left me alone in the house. So I just got dressed and I'm about to go walk up there now. I didn't even get to end the video last night because, I don't know, the rum cream did kind of creep up on me. It was my first time drinking rum cream. It's nice though, but I have to sip it, can't drink it. Guess what? My aunt was supposed to come down today. She called me at the airport talking about, oh, her passport expired. So like, I don't even know what's gonna happen now. She's supposed to come down here, come start build her house and stuff and keep digging Friday, but I don't even know what's gonna be the outcome. So now she have to go to the post office, try to see if she can get an emergency passport. It's crazy. My trip just feel like it's done, honestly. She's supposed to be like my little party, supposed to go out and stuff. I know she can't even come. So her family, her husband and kids and mother-in-law gone, left her, and she's on her way back home. So I hope she get through or whatever. But yeah, it's her fault though. If you going on vacation, you're supposed to make sure everything in check and your passport is all up to date. But no, it expired. But we can only pray and hope for the best. But I'm about to go walk now and then I don't even know what I'm about to do today, like honestly. We're just gonna go start out the barrel around my grandmother's sister, so I don't know, we'll see. Walking now to my brother. Oh wow, look it, I meet them. They're right here coming back down now. Guys, I don't know when I'm getting a KFC feed. I need a man in Jamaica who got a car and things, so I'll just be like, yo, come pick me up and let's go do road. But no, can't do that.
You can't fret me, someone, don't do that, man.
Good morning or afternoon, if it's a good afternoon. What's up? What time you wake up? You did frost last night? Hi, talk to me now. She don't like a video in the people, she don't like a video. You come in, you eat your beef last night, this morning? Pauline, talk now. Pauline, talk. Oh, you accept me for blog if nobody, if you don't want to go on the camera. These vlogs aren't gonna be lit. Pauline, not talk to you people then. Alright. May I eat? I want this Pauline breakfast or lunch? Cause at 2 o'clock now, just like you from morning. I'm a breakfast this, right?
Yes.
I'm a breakfast. The same roast spread fruit and ackee and saltfish. I would eat this every day. I swear. And then I go drink my iCool. It's gonna be my first time trying it, so hopefully it tastes good. Yeah. 2 minutes, I'm gonna shut this down. Guys, I don't like it freaking country because I have on freaking leggings. And I feel like fucking mosquito or some little bite from my damn tie. How the frick didn't reach this? Tall stuff. I swear, this is the only thing I don't like about Jamaica is like the freaking insect them. I don't know why they like my freaking skin so damn much. Now I'm going back, walking to where I'm staying. I'm freaking bored. I know every even like last vlog I kept saying, oh, I just country like here and there and family member I go to, but like what else am I gonna do? When I'm no party down here where I can say, all right, come on, let's go do road or whatever. I don't know, but yes, I'm here walking back. It don't taste nice at all. I don't know why everybody like creates so much excitement over it. It don't taste good. The fruit punch, it just tastes water. No sugar, no nothing. Straight water with little food coloring. But yeah, I'm here walking. My hair is about to get so big, like this humidity. I don't know how other people keep their hair so nice when they're in Jamaica. Like Nisha, her hair always look good and it never look frizzy. But yeah, sun hot bad. Honestly, I really don't know what to vlog right now. I'm here walking. I'm glowing though. Yeah. Alright guys, little more. Here packing out the damn barrel. Ridiculous. I'm talking to my damn video. Jesus. Guys, just pack out the damn barrel. So fucking, I need to stop cursing. I just finished pack out the barrel and stuff. I'm hot and sweaty. Need some breeze. Yeah. I don't know what I'm gonna do now. Probably got lunch today and get some KFC. I'm in Prospect right now. Look here, beer bush. Una probably don't even like these damn vlogs. Cause nothing on going. I mean, if they at town, I do something. Got taboo and those places. And duns. I'm freaking sweaty. Yeah, my grandmother in there sorting out her stuff and sharing up what get shared up. I would show you guys, but in there, in the place is like a mess right now, so I'm not gonna show it. But yeah. What are they doing? I fight? I wanna fight? I'm gonna make love. There, I run taxi with my friend. Now I'm about to go get my KFC. They're listed right now. Yeah. Yeah. I really don't know what to say, like, honestly. Don't forget my KFC. I don't know if I want wings, or if more I want zinger, or if more I want 3 piece. I don't know. I'll see when I get there.
Agricultural, commercial, or residential tools. It's total tools, sales, rental, and repair.
The KFC line was way too long, so I'm gonna go to Juicy Beef and get chicken and chips or something, or patty. I don't know.
Who that?
It's a vlog, so like I talk to myself basically, and then I put it on YouTube. Yeah. You don't know about them sitting there? You wanna say hi to my vlog? Yeah. So yeah, gotta go to Juicy Beef now. We are run taxi, go pick up a couple people. Came to Juicy Beef and get a beef patty.
No,
I'm just waiting on my 2-piece combo now. They're frying it. So I'm gonna buy beef patty for my family members then. Nice. I didn't want curry chicken patty, but they never had any, so I settled with beef. Guys, good morning. I wake up bed and just put on some regular clothes. I'm gonna go to Linstead or Bugwalk. I'm gonna go change some money and then go meet my aunt's husband and kids so they could come up here and deal with their business or whatever. Little update, my aunt did get through with a passport and stuff, so she's gonna be here tomorrow, Friday at 2:30. So yeah, so her stuff is gonna be postponed till Sunday. She was coming down here to start building her house, and the digging was gonna be tomorrow, but she can't do that, so she's moving it to Sunday. So yeah, outside hot. I have on no makeup. I can't believe I'm about to go on the road looking like this. Oh well, natural beauty, right? Yeah, I don't know what I'm doing today. Probably nothing, just chilling. Jesus Christ, this sun hitting me hard.
Titi.
Where are we, guys?
Jamaica.
Yeah, say hi to YouTube.
Hi. Hi.
What's up? When we going to the bleach?
Can you give me a link in the description below, please?
You have a YouTube channel?
Yeah.
What is it?
Tafiq Hines.
Tafiq Hines, okay.
Uppercase T, and the rest, and not the rest lowercase. So when you reach the Hines part, you put uppercase H for Hines.
Oh, okay. They don't even know how to spell that. Trissy, I miss you. We're gonna go to the bleach Saturday, okay?
Alright.
Yeah. You like Jamaica?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes, I do.
You just living life. Granny in the house cooking. Say hi.
Hi. Guess what mommy coming? She coming tomorrow.
I know she's coming tomorrow.
Yay.
These are my cousins. Yeah. She'll be here tomorrow.
I know how they do that.
They give pizza. Like I first time I eat it. You gave him pizza, Titi?
Yeah. He eat the pizza like this, upside down.
Yeah, he not used to that.
Look. You see them stuff off from you.
Pizza tastes good?
Yeah.
Where you get it from? Pizza Hut? Where? Where's it from? No. I'm not used to it. Where's it from?
The guy who said pizza.
What, Little Caesars?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't know. He's not a dumpling.
Chicken and burger. That is pizza.
You don't like it? Yeah. No, he was eating it at first. Eat everything. The dog don't even want the damn pizza. Who?
Hey, what is your name?
He not tell nobody.
What's your name?
What's his name?
Is your name Thomas?
That's our name.
Damien? Oh, Theodore. Oh.
Theodore.
Theodore.
Theodore?
Yeah, Theodore. What you doing?
Theodore.
Welcome, Mami. We are Jamaica.
What's that, Titi?
Huh?
What you say?
We are Jamaica.
On what?
Everything.
You want to go back home?
Yes.
To America? You want to go back?
Shooting.
You want to go back home?
I'm scared. Shooting.
Stop it. Jamaica, nice. I just the people then. Do it again. Oh God, you guys are crazy. Dame tu cosita. I don't know this boy, and it takes it from me.
Come. The extension cord.
What?
See? He punched me.
What?
Boy, get out you freaking middle
Jesus
finger.
Christ.
Hello?
That's nasty, boy.
Yeah, nasty and bad, right?
Yeah.
Build our house. I'll be a bush, but when it's done, it's gonna look nice. I think it's up there. Or this. I don't know. I'm pretty sure it's up there. But yeah. See our drum there? We water. And then our material is sand and a gravel.
And you live on the grove, you know, Ricky?
You understand? Yeah. From when time you get the cup on the car.
And you live on the grove?
Country this. If I'm ever building a house in Jamaica, it'd have to be Tone, Portmore, or Ochi. Yeah. None of the damn bush. But she building this house for her father, so you know. Yeah, and this is where her father come from, so yeah, she building it. Is that thing that's up there, right? Hi, Granny? It's up there? The lawn.
I should get called back in a break. She said, yeah. I might get mixed up, so I'll get you in here. She have to cancel all our plans. Yeah. So, the material go up here.
Oh God, it's raining. So up here, so it'll start. I don't understand how the hell you gonna build on that. No sir, I'm not climb up there. I make mosquito ants bite me up. No siree. So this is where we're gonna be Sunday. Feed digging, cook food, play music and stuff. Yeah. So Granny, I guess I'm gonna wear my nice sneakers come on Sunday. But I didn't think it was like bush. I thought it was like a little, you know, a bare mud and stuff. I'm gonna have to wear like my slippers. I can't wear sneakers up here. Not my nice, good Vapor Max Plus up here Sunday. No, son. A bare mud on the ground, people. Bare mud, bush. Where's rain always a fall, yes, sir? No, not do it. Tell Kayla what? Video?
Yeah, Kayla video.
No, man, video myself. What you want a video for?
It's a video place.
Video place? Or call her on video? Alright. I'm gonna call my aunt now so she can see what I'm going. Alright, I'm going out on the square to go buy some chicken and chips because I got my fuel for. And it ain't 9:30 at night. I want some chicken and chips. So me and some people I go get it. No video. You wanna say hi to YouTube?
Good production. They know.